Good afternoon, Rasta Restaurant. How can I help you?
I would like to make a reservation for 6 people.
What day and time would you like, miss?
It will be for today at 8 p.m. I reserve for dinner with my family.
Alright, miss, we have available space at 8 p.m.
Okay.
Would you like to order the menu now or later?
Is there any special menu for today?
Yes, miss. There will be ribeye steak Cafe de Paris.
Oh, I see. I think I will order later.
Sorry, miss. You want to be in smoking or non-smoking room?
I will be in non-smoking room.
Okay, miss. May I know your name, please?
Bianca Cooper.
Alright, may I repeat your reservation?
Sure.
Alright, you reserve one table for 6 people in non-smoking room for 8 p.m. and you will order the menu later. Is that clear?
Yes, clear.
Anything else, Mrs. Cooper?
No, thank you.
Okay, Mrs. Cooper, see you at 8 p.m. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you.